Hello, and welcome to the PainScored platform. My name is Dr. Marsculci, and today I'll be showing you how to use PainScored.com. PainScored solves a unique problem. It allows you to gain insights into your health and share them with your physicians. When you are in your doctor's office, can you recall your symptoms for the past day, week, month, 3 months or more? Do the forms you fill out in the doctor's office create insights over time? PainScored allows you to take a quick survey anywhere with internet access, create a report over time, and allow your physicians real-time access. These reports are so powerful, most insurance companies allow your physician to be reimbursed for their collection, just like an office visit. Today I'll show you how in under 2 minutes. First, log into PainScored.com on your PC or download our application from the Apple or Android stores. You may create an account by selecting Register and fill out your information. Once submitted, click the link in your email to verify your email address is correct. Return to PainScored.com and log in. On the first homepage, you may allow your physician access in 2 ways. The first is to click Grant next to their name and clinic. Alternatively, you can select for them at the bottom and click Invite. Now you're ready to take your first survey. Choose Take Survey. Here you will see all the surveys that you have access to. Select Click here to take your survey. Use the Next button to continue onto the other survey pages. Once finished, select Complete. When you have taken more than one survey, your Survey Reports page will show trends and insights over time. The more surveys, the more insights you gain. That was our brief introduction. We anticipate you'll find out more of the advanced features as you use the platform. Please get in touch with us for support or feedback at info@patientpremier.com or via the contact page on our website.